Last question here for our study guide. Here we're given this like really big differential equation with a really big input. And we just want to set up XP and not actually find the values of A, B, C, whatever, when we're doing our undetermined coefficients. Really what I'm testing you on here is your ability to look at this equation here and figure out how it interacts with the different pieces of this, and then choose all the right pieces for your XP, for your undetermined coefficients. So the first step is going to be to find the characteristic equation. If we do that, we get r cubed plus 4r squared plus 4r equals 0. And then that factors to r, open parentheses, the innards is going to factor to r plus 2 squared. That means that we have r equals 0, comma, -2, comma, -2. And then from there, you should say, all right, well, I know that my xc is going to be c1 plus c2 e to the -2t plus c2t e to the -2t. This t right here shows up because we have a repeated root right here. I got the -2 here. I get it. It repeats itself right here, so I have to tack a t on to make these things linearly independent. So now, what we're going to do is look individually at each of these pieces here. And actually, what I'm going to do first is, I guess I'll go in order. So we'll do that one first. So that would require a e to the -8t and a t e to the -8t. Let's go to the next one. This one, because I remember I derive this until it either goes away or repeats. And then I take all the different pieces that it derives to. So that's those two pieces. The blue one right here is going to have an e to the -3t, a t e to the -3t, and a t squared e to the -3t. So right now I'm just writing out all the derivatives of all of these pieces so that I can then go and build out the undetermined coefficients with a's and b's and c's, etc. So the next one, do orange. So this is one of the ones that has some duplication. So I would like to, if you look at this one, it's very similar to the one that I did in purple here, the e to the -8t. So what I would like to do would be to take e to the -2t and t e to the -2t. But you can see those two show up right here. So I need to bump those up so that they start after the end of this one. So that's not going to work. I need to take an e to the -2t and another e to the -2t, but I can't have them be linearly dependent on these two. So the first one is going to be a t squared, because t squared is 1 power above this right here. And then what's my choice for the next one? Well, I just go up one more, and that gives me a t cubed. The t sine t, that one's going to have 4 pieces. This one right here. It'll have a t sine t. It'll have a t cosine t. It'll have a sine t, and it'll have a cosine of t. That you should be okay with. We've done that with some resonance problems and stuff like that. The last one. All right, so let's go green. This. Again, this one's like the orange one that I just did. I would like to take 1 and t. Those would be all the derivatives of this thing until it goes to 0. But this is a constant. And I've already got a constant taken up in my xc. So I have to bump these and make them start one after that constant. So we're going to start at t, and we're going to go to t squared. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write all of these with a's and b's and c's, and I'll try to color code it. My xp is equal to, all right, so I got a e to the -8t plus b t e to the -8t. That's these two pieces right here with my undetermined coefficients. So next I'll go to blue, plus c e to the negative 3t plus d t e to the negative 3t plus e t squared e to the negative 3t. And now I'm onto my orange ones here. So we'll flip over to that. So plus f t squared e to the negative 2t plus g t cubed e to the negative 2t. That's these two right here. Now I got to have a whole bunch of blues there for the sines and cosines. So you have gh t sine t plus I t cosine t plus j sine t plus k cosine. Did I? Hold on a second. Oh, we're good. We're good. Cosine t. And now at the end here, I just have to take these last two pieces. So plus L t plus k. Oops, k is not next. M t squared. All right. So it's if the color bothers you, sorry. But this right here is my answer. You could have it all in one color, obviously, but I think that color coding it and helping keep a track of things in this video makes some sense for me to do. A couple comments about this. If you had a t here and no t here, that'd be fine. You could switch these two terms. Same thing with any of these, right? The d does not have to necessarily be with the t e to the negative 3t. As long as you have all of these pieces and you go out to an m or something equivalent to that, then you're good to go and you've done this correctly. All right, that's the last one. Good job. See ya.